What's going on, guys? Today's video is the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. I've been looking at getting a dash cam for a while, and I decided to pick this one because of how small it is. I can hide it behind the mirror up there. So the Toyota has a connector on the back side there where we'll pull that out. I got a dongle that plugs into the original connector. There's a USB for the camera, and then where the normal wiring harness for the mirror will plug into. And then I bought this little short cable for running the power for the camera instead of using this long cable that they send. But they also send this cable and a little USB cigarette lighter. It comes with two sticky mounts, so hopefully we get this on the first shot, and we'll put this together, show you the quick, I don't know if it'll be quick, but hopefully it is. I'll show you the install of this, and then once it's all installed, we'll go through the setup process together, and that'll be it. Once again, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and let's get to it. So one thing I forgot to mention, guys, is I took heat shrink and put around this just so it looks cleaner. But we're going to plug in the two cables and then plug it into the back of the mirror and re-plug in the cable. So this one, this is the original cable. We'll plug in the adapter. Let's see if I can do this without looking. And then we're going to feed this cable over the top of this. Now let's plug in the camera. And I'm going to cut and clean this windshield real quick, and we'll be back. Okay, so we got the camera installed or hooked up. Let's pull this little piece off, and I like it right about there. I'm gonna hold that up there for a little bit. All right, looks good. We'll get it all, I'll get it powered up, and I'll let you guys know what we need to do next. Okay, now that we got it up in there and installed, we need to hold this little button down here on the side to format the SD card. So we're gonna hold that. Okay, now that we're paired, or formatted, sorry, we're going to open up this Garmin Drive app and hook up the phone to the camera, and then I'll get back with you once we get that set up on the phone. Okay, so there's this little button on the back. It's saying to hold down the save button until the LED flashes blue. Okay, now that it flashed blue, the phone is saying pair. Yes, we want to pair. It's connecting. We're paired, but I gotta sign into my Garmin account and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, now that we got it all set up on the phone, we'll see if it works. Let's go for a quick drive real quick around the block, and we'll throw that video into the video here. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, so that's the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Just a side note, once you get it all installed, under the Drive app of Garmin, you got to go to your settings on the camera and check for updates, and if there is any, download them, and then it'll send it to your device. So with all that, here is the B-roll.